Welcome to the Millsurf Mike channel. I know there's a lot of Carcanos out there new to the wild thanks to sites like Classic and Palmetto State Armory selling a bunch of Carcano carbines this year. So I figured I'd do a quick video to show you how to field strip the bolt. Now I'm going to keep this separate from my history videos just because the way YouTube's rules are, this video will probably either get demonetized or even nuked. So I'm just going to show you my Cavalry carbine here, how to disassemble the bolt. Now this will work for any Model 91 carbine, or any Model 91 Carcano pretty much. First of all, let's check. There is nothing in the chamber, nothing in the magazine. Alright, so basically to get the bolt out, it's a lot like the Mosin. You just pull the trigger back to get the bolt out. So you get your bolt out, just pull it back, decock it down. There is a little button right here you push down. All you gotta do is push that down and unscrew a little cap here. So pull off the cocking piece. Now on the safety, see there's a little notch right there. So push that down. You go up there, and then to get it completely out, you gotta push it in again. Pull it over, and see this little piece right there and the little hole right there. Remember that for later for reassembly. So basically you just pull out your pin and firing pin spring, and there's your bolt housing, and you are disassembled. Pretty simple. To put it back together, just like putting it, just like the opposite of taking it apart, you got to put your safety in. Now remember, there's the, you got to match that with that right there. So you got that. Go ahead and take her all the way down. Now there's a little flat piece here. You kind of want that facing out. So turn your pin. And then push your little button back in. So your bolts back together. Go ahead and you want that, and then you got to pull your trigger back again and get her in there, and there you go. So hopefully that helps some of you out. If you like my content, please check out my other videos. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also check out my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and who I support on Patreon. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day.